Rainfish by Ehlert. When blue sky turns gray and it rains all day, that's when rainfish come out and play. They hide in the debris until rain sets them free. Do you see them too? Or is it just me? They love to splash in puddles and dance upon concrete. They gather in the gutters and then swish down the street. But you better look fast because rainfish don't last. One day they're near, the next they disappear. I wonder where they go from here. If I had a fishtail, I'd swim to warm seas, where new friends and palm trees would wave to greet me. Sailors see rainfish, at least that's what they say. But when they try to catch them, rainfish always swim away.